All right, I'm going to go over how to create your portfolio pages. So let's dive right in. And the first thing we're going to do is create some categories. So let's go ahead and go to categories. And we can add some, you can do something like weddings, architecture. And to link to these, under appearance and menus, make sure under screen options, under appearance and menus, make sure you're on this page to do that. You'll make sure that this is selected, portfolio categories, and then you can add them to your pages. So let's go and add these to the main navigation just so we can, add to menu. Just so when we're viewing the site in another tab, we can visit those back and forth. So first thing we're going to do is create just a basic post. Sample default posts, add in some text. And what we're going to want to do is pick a category to put it into. Of course, you can create categories here as well. We already created ours, so let's go ahead and click architecture, publish that. And if we go to architecture, you'll see the post show up. And if you want an image, it's called a featured image. So let's go and edit our post, add media, drop in an image. Then you're going to want to select set featured image. Make sure you select that, select the image, and then set it as a featured image. So let's go and update that. We'll refresh. Now we have our image, our post. We'll visit the post page, you'll get your text. It's all looking good. Weddings, of course, doesn't have any posts yet. So let's go and add a post in the weddings one now. We're going to want to go under select weddings for the category, add in some text, set a featured image, set featured image, select your image, click set featured image, publish. And now when we refresh, we have one in the weddings, one in the architecture. So let's go ahead and create another example, and let's call this one sample gallery. And our format, we'll select gallery. Let's add in a bunch of images. So let's go ahead and select 2 images to upload. Once they're done uploading, you can just exit out of this light box. Let's go ahead and pick architecture to throw this one into, publish it. And now when we visit architecture, you have your gallery, which is pretty cool. And let's say you want to edit your gallery, just go back to add media, click upload it to this post. It will show you what is in your gallery. You can select them and delete them. You can drag and drop to reorder them. Once you're done editing, you will just click close, update that, and then your gallery will have automatically updated. The last thing to cover is videos. So let's go and do a video example. So let's use a YouTube video for example. Go under share, embed, grab the embed code. Paste that in under post settings, just like your blog. Let's pick weddings for this one. Then under weddings, you'll see your video show up. Pretty cool. One thing to note, the videos are going to be a little shorter, and that's just because of the video ratio. So if you want them to line up perfectly, I recommend just using 2 videos per line if you need to. All right, now the last thing to go over is, let's say you want to adjust how many posts show up per page or the columns. That's going to be under the theme customizer. So under appearance and customize, under theme settings, you can adjust the portfolio column count and posts per page. So you have tons of control over that. Now, if you wanted to create the child navigation, I will cover that in the next video.